Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Seen in 60 seconds by Sajali Sajjad, Network and vSphere Administrator and Virtual Instructor at NanoTechX and founder of NetPlus Software. So SAN is what? It is a type of a network. We say a storage area network is a network that connects multiple storage devices such as hard drives or solid state drives, mean HDDs and SSDs, to a computer system. It allows for centralized storage management and enables multiple computers to access and share the storage resources. SANs are used to provide high speed and reliable storage solutions for businesses, allowing for efficient data storage, backup, and retrieval. SANs are commonly employed in data centers and enterprise environments to support large scale storage requirements.